Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience. I've been diving deep into the world of real estate investing podcasts, and one that consistently delivers valuable insights is the Real Estate Guys radio show. Available on platforms like Apple Podcasts, link below. This show offers a wealth of information for both seasoned investors and those just starting their journey. The hosts, Robert Helms and Russell Gray, bring a dynamic and engaging approach to complex topics, making even intricate real estate strategies accessible to a broad audience. They frequently feature interviews with prominent figures in the real estate world, from experienced developers to financial advisors, providing listeners with a diverse range of perspectives and expert advice. One of the things I appreciate most about the Real Estate Guys is their commitment to exploring a wide spectrum of investment strategies. They delve into everything from traditional buy and hold approaches to more sophisticated techniques like syndications and private lending. This comprehensive coverage allows listeners to gain a well-rounded understanding of the real estate market and identify opportunities that align with their individual goals and risk tolerance. Furthermore, the show doesn't shy away from discussing the challenges and potential pitfalls of real estate investing, offering practical tips and strategies for navigating market fluctuations and mitigating risks. Helms and Gray emphasize the importance of due diligence, market research, and building a strong network of professionals, empowering listeners to make informed investment decisions. The Real Estate Guys radio show consistently provides valuable content that goes beyond surface-level analysis. They explore the underlying economic principles driving the real estate market, helping listeners develop a deeper understanding of the forces shaping investment opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to refine your strategies or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, this podcast is a valuable resource. I highly recommend checking it out. The link is in the description. So, what are your thoughts on real estate investing podcasts? Share your favorites in the comments below.